Now this illustration deals with support fittings fill in accordance with 314.16, B as in boy, 3. Now notice the figure loop. If we're supporting the box, then the figure loop recommends the review of pages 13-1 through 13-3, and we use the right supporting means to support that box. Many times these boxes are not supported in compliance with the NEC. And then notice we have a call out that has a luminaire stud. We have separate attachment fitting in accordance with 314.27E. If that's present, then that's the section that we'll look at coming up. The NEC loop, again, because we have a stud, we have a nipple, we have a hickey, and we have a canopy. All of this is involved with the support fittings. So 210.19A4, exception 1, 240.5B as in boy 2, and 410.117C would be reviewed. Now the biggie here for the fixture wires, 240.5B2 that you see in the NEC loop. But notice we would have to count one for the hickey, one for the stud, and one for the nipple, along with the rest of the field that you see on the box. So we would have a hot and a neutral coming in. Maybe it's fed with EMT. If it's, say, a cable, then you'd have an equipment ground coming in, but it doesn't show that. So we would count then, coming in, we would have 1, 2, and then we do show an equipment ground coming in that comes down and grounds the middle of the canopy, if that be the case, and provide grounding. So you have one equipment ground, counts 1, one hot, ungrounded conductor, 1. You have the neutral coming in, counting 1. Then you have a hickey counts 1, nipple counts 1. The canopy now, if it is listed to do so, we can use that canopy for the fixture wire and the other conductors. We can use it as some of the field requirements. And you'd find that in 314.16B1 exception, along with 314.25. But keep in mind now, we're just going through the method and procedure for counting the field. We will see what we do with that field as we get on into the other illustrations and figures that we would look at. But this figure 12-5, we're just counting the field, and what we're looking at here is support fittings field in accordance with the NEC 314.16, B3 as in boy.